Okay, what's up? We're gonna do some Dogecoin live streaming here in Dave's Doge Den, and we're gonna talk about how to survive a market that's gone down. And my new prediction. I have a new prediction. It's been adjusted, and I see what happened. I think. So say hi when you come in, and that'll be awesome. Thank you. What is up? Some folks in here. We're real close to our giveaway amount too. Boom, 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 boom. What's up? I'm waiting for this live stream to catch up with everything. So this has been an interesting week here, where everything kind of started to, how shall we say, go down. I wouldn't say it's in the toilet or anything. However, you can see where it's been declining for a bit now over the last 2 days. That's 1 day. If we go out the 5 days, so the last 4 days. So this was kind of the high water mark for a little bit. And I think I kind of see the patterns here, and I think I know what happened, and I'll share that with all you guys once we get rolling here. I got this cool hat from somebody who sent it to me. It's pretty cool. Custom made, thank you. It's bad threads. I'll take a look at that in a second too. And see where everybody's been. It's a whale. What's up, Underground Calling? What's happening? Yes, there's a new whale. And the whale that everybody thought was Robinhood is not Robinhood. What's up, Josh? 5.7 RAM. What's happening? You kicked that bad boy off. There you go. Nice. So, I didn't live stream yesterday. I had some tech issues. I did the day before. I had like 7,000 people come through, so I'm hoping to have something else like that today. That'd be awesome. I'm also going to give away some money when we get 40 people in here. Well, we'll go into the whale in a minute. But we know who the whale isn't. Yes. What's up, Abby? What's happening? But we know who the whale isn't is the important thing here. So, and I got an article about that. I guess I'll just kind of show this. Whoop. So the $25 billion whale. So Robinhood is saying, not us. And they're literally just saying, and excuse me if the whale's in the middle of it on the screen, but trust me on the article. And the article says, basically they said they want to be real clear, and I'll get the quote. Let's see. Robinhood is playing. They're Christine Brown. To put like a super fine point on it, on behalf of the firm, we do not trade, hold, or lend. We don't take part in any activity when it comes, the cryptocurrency. The only thing that we do is the direction of our customers, buy and sell on behalf. So they're not storing up some pile here. Thank you, Josh. Josh, do you have a 5.7 RAM? Is it a RAM Rebel by chance? I'm assuming you're referring to the Hemi, right? Well, I don't know. We don't know who to trust or who not to. What's up, Anthony? How's it going? Yeah, so we don't know what to think here. But Robinhood says not us. Whale is not us. This is not the 25 billion sitting in that wallet. So that's a lot. That's many billions of coins. Like, that's crazy. So if it's not Robinhood, then who the hell is it is what we need to find out. And so that's a tougher decision. We have to we don't know if that whale's going to make any big moves anyway, so you know what this puts back on the table though? I was just gonna say that it could be Elon Musk. Cartels, that would be hilarious because how much money they would have just made. The That would be crazy if that was the truth. If it was cartels. Hey, give me a like when you come in. We'll get more people in here, and I'll give away more money. So it's a deal, right? Okay. It could be drug cartels. That's very interesting. If it was drug cartels. Think about it. I think they would, but why would they buy Dogecoin? They'd probably buy Bitcoin, right? Or do they figure the feds aren't looking at Dogecoin? They're all up in Bitcoin business for drug money, right? That's something to think about. We got to put that on it on the conspiracy theory night. But that I mean, I don't see why that couldn't be the truth. That very well may be what happened. Oh, there goes. So I got this hat. Somebody sent me this hat for free. Mad threads. Hopefully they'll come in tonight. I can show off the hat. It's got like the stitching is like, it's like an inch thick. 3D printing. Got a Doge on the side. I don't think, no, Coinbase doesn't, they might own them. Probably Munger playing the long con. It's all those guys that have been railing against Dogecoin, the long con. Coinbase doesn't, they're just an exchange. So the Dancing Predator, oh, you know what? This is kind of club music. So the Dancing Predator does need a, let's find the Dancing Predator. Yeah. This is more his speed, this music. The Dancing Predator. There we go. Everyone take a drink. Yes, you should. Y'all own Rams as well? Oh, I missed the Ram talk. Correct. Okay, yeah. I have a Rebel as well. I just got a Rebel in January. I was gonna wait to check out the T-Rex one, the TRX, and then I had a Raptor, and I hated parking it, and so I was like, I don't need the extra wide truck. I just need a truck that I can take out in the desert and have some fun with a couple times a year, and in case there's an apocalypse, I can drive the fuck out of town, right? I love it. I love it. The Rebel's amazing. You know, the interior is nicer than the Raptor, and the Raptor is like 80 grand, 70 to 80 grand. And so I was shopping, and I was like, and I sold my Raptor like 5 years ago, and it still held really value. And then, what's up, Texas Nurse Patriot? And I loved my Raptor, but the interior of this Ram Rebel, which is like $20,000 less than the Raptor, is 100 times nicer. The whole thing is way nicer. So the Rebel, and then the TRX, there's none on the West Coast. I have seen none in California, and then I drove back to I was in Pennsylvania like a month ago, and they were all over the place. So I don't know what's up and why they're hiding them out here. And also I'm not paying $95,000 for a pickup truck, unless it's electric and it's one of those Hummers that goes sideways and I can mount like a gun on the top of it. But anyway, I can't say enough about the Ram Rebel's interior. I got the 12-inch display thing. Incredible. Except they don't have the airflow seats, the AC seats, which blows my mind. But besides that, I'll check out your RAM on your channel, Josh, 5.7 RAM, after the live stream. So, so we're talking about the whale right now. Oh, we got 45 people. We're gonna give some money away here. What's your channel? Is it Josh 5.7 RAM?
If you're an accredited investor, I have big news.
I'm not an accredited investor. Thank you, Ty Lopez. Does everybody see those Ty Lopez commercials? Or am I the only guy that gets those all the time? Am I the only guy that gets those? So, if you're an accredited investor, why depressing? I have club music on. Do I look depressed? Maybe. We don't think it's an exchange. That's the scary part. Sleepy Random. What's up, Sleepy Random? We don't think it's an exchange. That's the thing. We think it's a person. I think it's a person. But we don't know what it is. There's theories. Elon Musk, maybe. No, you know what, Fran? I think I'm having notification problems. I put out 2 videos tonight, and I put out one late last night. So I don't know if the 3 is like a midnight to midnight my time, or like East Coast time maybe, or something. I need a commercial. What should my commercial say, Tony Ann? Tell me what my commercial should say. What would my commercial be about? Do you like dad bods? Can't get enough of dancing aliens and predators. Like to look at charts that have pretty colors. It's a hedge. Oh, that's a big hedge. $28 billion. So. Yeah, so congratulations to the Ram owners, I guess, in here. Oh, well, you guys want me to go over my prediction? Let me give some money away, and then let me tell you what I think's happening with the market. How about that? Is that a fair exchange? Oh, that'd be hilarious, Nick. If they had like there's some miner that had a machine left running in like somebody's kid's bedroom, and they've mined $25 billion worth of Dogecoin, and they have no idea. That'd be hilarious. Yeah, but I think they were pretty much spelling that out, Eric, that they didn't have it like that. That's what I assumed too, but I think that's what the article was about, where it's not just sitting there for all the clients. I have more appeal than Lopez. You know, I do operate in the same space as him. So for my day job, I'm a digital marketer, except I don't. My commercials, when I do them, are just kind of funny, and I don't offer. Like, he's got all kinds of weird real estate stuff going on that I don't go with. So what's up, Nuno? Sir, Cerebral Strain. You got Cassie, Neil. So everybody who's in here didn't get notification, so we'll see how big this gets. Oh, you know what I got to do? The Discord is. I always have my Discord off. Share this link on Twitter if you get a chance. I'm gonna share this real quick, and then we'll do the giveaway. Sorry, I gotta get the tweets out. All my tweets. So I'm gonna put on some more upbeat music. I was trying out a new mix, but. All right. Sorry about that. So, yeah, I have a Ram Rebel 2021. Somebody was asking that. It's on sale right now. Dancing Mia. Well, she only comes out when the yacht comes out, and the yacht's not coming out. But I might bring the yacht out for a special occasion. If I hit 13,000 subscribers while we're on here, that would be awesome. I don't know though. We'll see if that happens. We'll see what happens if we can hit that marker point. So let me give the money away, and we will. Okay. All right. So let me get the book out. Let's do the cash. Is anybody scared because of 56 cents? Did it not go with what you thought was happening? Oh, I see. Chat. Okay. I don't know how low it's going to go. But I'll tell you. Oh, look, there you go. I'm waiting for the chat to catch up so I can give this money away. Sorry. So, all right. So yacht. That's right. We need the yacht party. So that's why I need to wait. So I need my 50,000 subscribers for the yacht party, though. You know, I would have a party, like a house party, maybe, or something. That'd be fun. You got to make your own way here. All right, so let's give this money away. The word is going to be. There we go. Dogecoin whale. Type that in. Don't type it in too many times, because then you get disqualified from Nightbot. This is for $10. Am I in New Jersey? No, but I grew up in New Jersey. I live in San Diego, California. Yes, so it's not Robinhood. So type in Dogecoin whale. That's for $10. We'll get this party started the right way, where we give you money. Yeah, so that was fascinating to me to see that they weren't the whale. So now we don't know who the whale is. Nobody has any idea. And if it's not Robinhood, then there's nobody else out there that's holding on to that many. So it's probably a person. And so far the theory we came up with is that it's maybe somebody who was mining Dogecoin and left the computer on for the last, 10 years. Or, was it 8 years? Last 7 years? What's up, Billy C, Dave, Dylan, Jessica, Anthony, Tyler, Ali, Jessica, Ooch, Eric, Billy C, Robert, Cassie, Jay Get Censored, 21 Joshua, Dylan, Undy, Curtis, Carlos, Pierre from the Netherlands, making an appearance again. Yo-Yo, James, Newt, J Dean, what's up, J Dean? How you doing? De Leon, Torianne here. I've been talking to you. Samson, Jose, Texas Nurse Patriot, a regular. I hope you all become regulars. I do this usually about this time of night, and we talk about a lot more than just Dogecoin. We actually talk about all kinds of crazy stuff, and we've got a Discord. I'll give you the link for the Discord, or after I go to the Discord and share my link for the show. And I got to put this on streamer mode, so you don't hear my thing go blip, a bloop, a bleep, a bloop, a bloop, a bloop, a bloop, a bloop. Oh, I missed your statement. I'm behind on the chat here, so I'm having trouble keeping up. Let's go. All right. Average price 1.5 cents. Josh, you're gonna buy 10 Rams. So, all right, we're gonna pick the winner, and then I'm gonna tell you one of the devs. Oh, you know what? I did a funny little research project, and which of the two guys was it that sold for a Honda Civic? Which of the two guys was it? So, I don't like this mix. You are fired. All right. All right. Dance Electrica. Here we go. Now we got it. Now we're just gonna get some cocktail music on. Get a little warm up. All right. Dogecoin whale. Last chance. I'm gonna have Nightbot pick the winner. Here we go. I wish I was the whale. I wish I was the whale. That'd be nice. Where's my girlfriend from Canada? Her name is not Mia. It's Kate, Ms. Fish. Kate Fish from Canada. It's probably Matt Wallace. That would be funny. Okay, so here we go. Roll it. And way too much and info, I think. So you're going to email me at dave@bluehairdaveplan.com. It's in my About page. You go ahead and email me and tell me if you want Venmo or PayPal. Info. So, for those of you who are new, there you go. And so, if you're new, I'm giving out money because I'm on a race to get 50,000 subscribers on my way to having a yacht party. So at 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to have a yacht party. and we're going to have a big party, and we're going to have like probably have a contest to see who can make it, who can travel, who can't, and then who can get there. But I'm going to pay for the booze and everything. And on the way there, I'm giving money out during the live streams. And so for every 1,000 subscribers, I give away about $100. Because YouTube pays me money, and I want to get some of that back to the subscribers so that everybody has a happy time. And if you subscribe in order to get the winnings, and you like the show, and then you stay a subscriber. So you're not emailing me. The winner of the contest that I just gave away $10 for to start the night off is emailing me to tell me how they want their money. I can't tell you what's going to happen on the yacht party, yay or nay. I have no idea, but Donnie will be there topless, and me too, Donnie. I will be there topless as well. Yes, we're going to let these nips free, and we're going to breathe. That's right. There'll be 2 of us at least. We don't want to restrict ourselves. All right, so that's $10. Cool. Elon latest reply on Twitter. All right, let me go look. Boop, boop, boop. Does this break right now? Is this what's going on? I gotta find this thing. We have so many categories now. There we go. All right, I'm looking at our Discord. It just says he did 2 happy faces. What am I missing, broker? Oh, like he typed something right now? I'm looking. I'm going. It takes me a second here. David Spade comment? I'm just looking for Elon's thing here. Oh, I see. Look at what he replied to. All right. Leaving. Going to Twitter. Sorry. It's not showing the actual David Spade tweet now. So, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to find this. Oh my gosh. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I see it now. So Elon Musk just tweeted, and it says, oops. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Why is this so hard for me today? I wondered if Elon Musk on SNL will be a 90-minute infomercial for Dogecoin. Buying it as we speak. Ha! I gotta get in there with our on a live. Get it on the. Huh? That's hilarious. Talking about it as we speak on our. Boop. There we go. That's hilarious. So that's a pretty cool little tweet there. So here we go. If you're new in here, everybody, I got to get a hold of his management to get him on the Discord, but we can have some people on the Discord as well. So if you're new in here, I give away money just because they pay me money. So the more people come in, I'll give away some money in a minute. So Elon Musk just had a tweet, and it's basically about he laughed at, I wonder if at Elon Musk on SNL will be a 90-minute infomercial for Dogecoin. Buying it as we speak. So that is hilarious. Oh. I'm going to tweet these guys out here, and I got to get that video out. So it gets these guys on here maybe. There we go. All right, everybody. That spade is all right. Buying it as we speak. He knows. He knows. No, that wallet's been there for a while, Cerebral, that big wallet. So the big wallet it's not Robinhood, it's been there for a while, so. Oh, you think Weeble has a big supply? So what's up, Ryan Longworth, Bali and Hollywood? What's happening? Okay. Oh, this guy's spamming. Bali and Holly Entertainment here. Get him out of here. So yeah, so that's look, then the price goes down. It should be going up right now because everybody's coming on here. So that's interesting. So what my theory is that what happened is this. I said I would tell you guys after we did all this. So what I think happened is with Doge Day, it built up until like the day before, and then it started to falter. And I think that the highs we were probably going to see anyway, which are around 69 cents, happened earlier, as in like yesterday. So the big buildup was basically yesterday because everybody learned their lesson from Doge Day. And so everybody got in early. They're like, oh, he's going to be an SNL. So they all bought. If you look at the last 5 days, and let me shrink this down, so that everybody bought over here, working their way up because they knew this was going to happen. So all of this is the anticipation of Saturday, along with a bunch of other good news and celebrity stuff. People thought that Dogecoin would go up, so people got in early, being smart, which is very smart. And then now what you're seeing is people kind of being like, well, I'm going to get out. A lot of people got in also at the 50-cent range, and they were scared shitless last time before it fell. And so those people, let me go back here. Those people, those people are excited that the price is still up, and so they might think about pulling out because they've got paper hands and they don't believe that it can go up to where that we all think it's going to go. So that's what I think happened. I think it was people got in early, and then the whole pump started like a couple days early. That's what I think. What do you guys think? Sorry, I missed the chat. I was talking and looking. Yeah, so there's a lot of people that bought it like 50 cents, like Meek Mill. So I was going to do a thing with him on there. But I also think that the future of this is going over $1. I'm with Mark Cuban. I did a video a little while ago about Mark Cuban. And I explained to Mark, or I explained what Mark said. I don't know Mark Cuban. And he was saying that he thinks it's going to go $1, and he thinks it's the only functional currency that makes sense to use. People aren't going to spend Bitcoin. People aren't Ethereum, and so Dogecoin makes sense because there's a fixed amount every year that are going to be created, and if it's around $1 and sticks around $1, then it's almost pegged to the dollar in a weird way, and that's kind of what he was hoping for, and he thinks will happen. And so then at that point, it does $1 and it just keeps climbing at a regular pace. But I don't know. But I think it will go to $1, and I think it'll happen this year. And I think that that's a good thing. Hey, like and subscribe when you come in here if you get a chance, because I'm giving money away. And I put the yacht party up because I just went over 13,000 subscribers. So that makes it, I've gotten 12,000 subscribers since February. So not too bad. Thank you for all the subscribes. And we're getting there. So at 50,000 subscribers, I'm throwing a yacht party. And oh, my Canadian girlfriend, Kate Fish, is not on the yacht. Where is she? Oh my gosh. There we go. That's my this is my Canadian girlfriend, Kate. Her last name is Fish, Kate Fish. So a lot of you regulars know her. We've never met in person, but I do pay her rent, and she sent me this picture of herself. She said it was a selfie. I pay her rent and her car payment and her tuition at college. Don't tell my wife. And she sends me nice letters. We've never talked on the phone, come to think. We have once. Very husky voice. Very, almost sounds like a Russian man, but she's there. She lives in Canada. You can't meet her. Something about passport problems. All right. See, I don't like this mix either. Dave, what's going on with your music tonight? We need to fix this. There we go. Much better. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, it seems legit, right? Right? She's Mina, you want me to pay your tuition? Let me know. Is it community college? I can handle that. I'm not paying for USC. No way. All right, let's take a look here. So do you guys think that makes sense what I just said? That the big pump was then, and then we're going to see it going upwards from here, though. I don't know how low this is going to go, maybe 50 cents, and then you're going to start seeing it climb, and it's going to track back towards 69 cents and then $1. So that's what I'm thinking. Yeah. And the whale warning, the warning is that the whale is not, we thought it was like safe because it was Robinhood. And Robinhood said in no uncertain terms today, they are not that holder of the $25 billion worth. Jay gets censored. I'll send you a picture of my wife if you pay my college tuition. Well, who knows? Yeah. Who knows? Some TV shows wanted to talk to me, but I didn't want to. Yeah, none of that. Better be a state school tuition or JC maybe. But China's usually buying, and Asia's usually buying, but we'll see. But I kind of think like it probably was Sega music in the background. I think it's $1. I think it's still going to go to $1. Hear me out. I just think that, you know how this goes in waves, right? Everything goes like this. Bump up, bump down, bump up, bump down. And I think what that is just on its way to $1. But our big bump up happened at the 65 cent range. And so that's what I think. You can join our Discord. We can even have people on to talk, to speak actual voices and stuff. So it could be Elon Musk, because you got to think of who's rich enough. What companies are rich enough to own that much? Or was it just somebody who's been mining Dogecoin since 2015 on a bunch of like old machines, and they just left them running by accident, and they forgot the wallet combo, and now they're locked out of the server room or something, and then now they have $25 billion worth of Dogecoin. So wait a second, Lorax. That's a picture of you in drag. You think I'm paying a Russian man's vodka habit? Of course. No, of course not. Of course not. So, all right. Yes, Elon Musk just tweeted about Dogecoin. You guys want to see the tweet? All right. So here is what he did. David's, is anything covering this? All right. So David Spade said, I wonder. All right. I got to get the whale out of the way. Sorry. I wonder if at Elon Musk on SNL will be a 90-minute infomercial for Dogecoin. Buying it as we speak. And then Elon responded with the little happy faces. So is there another tweet I'm missing? Betty White is the whale. Is that what's going on? Probably. Betty White could own the universe, right? So. I am not the whale. I am not the whale. And I don't appreciate that. Okay? I want a diet. we go. John Smith wants to know, why the F are you talking about paying college tuition? Sounds creepy as fuck. Well, John, if you had a girlfriend as pretty as the girl on the yacht there that lived in Canada that you never met, you would want to pay her tuition too. Some people just don't get it. It's true love. Yeah, my son, he just got home from soccer actually, so he maybe he'll come on here in a little bit. Little Dave, he comes in here and wants to know exactly what the price is. Everybody keeps calling her Mia. Her name is Kate Fish. Okay? I know, John's jealous. Call me creepy. Nothing creepy about that. That's something-ish. That wallet does not have activity either, does it? I don't think. So we don't know what it is. So it's kind of scary, right? And if it's Robinhood, but Robinhood said it's not them. They said it's not them. So I don't think they'd lie in public because that would affect like all kinds of regulations and stuff, I think. Yep. The tweet is right here on the screen. Maybe you know what? I've got something. No, you guys can see it, right? Right? It's on the top left. That's where the tweet is. The eye is silent. No, I don't think so. That's a good one. Kate Fish, the eye is silent. Should you invest more? I don't know. Sharma? Mr. Sharma? I can't tell you what to do, but I can tell you depends on your risk level. And I fully believe at this point, yeah, they call her Cat. Yes, Shay, you are absolutely correct. They call her Cat. Yeah. I see it pumping a little bit after this dip. And then what I see is the next 2 weeks after, it starts going to $1. That's what I see. Okay. I predicted it would probably go to 69 cents sometime leading up to SNL. It just happened earlier than I said it would because it's always gone higher than I've always thought it would. I thought like $1 was out of the question until like a year and a half from now. And it's not, right? And so I thought 69 cents was insane. It wasn't. So I admit my mistakes. I was at 5 cents, I was hoping for 10 cents and then 15 cents and then 25 cents, just like that. So I don't give financial advice in here. What I'm telling you is like the channel so we get some more people in here, and I'm going to give away $25 in like 5 minutes in here, okay? And I'm also giving away money next live stream. $100 because I just hit over 1,000 subscribers again. So every time I hit over 1,000 subscribers, I give away $100. If I end up with 14,000 subscribers, because there's 550 people in here right now, and 3,600 people have come through already, which is completely doable, I'll give away another $100. Okay, but you got to be subscribed and you got to get the notifications of when I give these over. So there you go. It's enough about that because I want to give the money away. I cannot give you any financial advice because you don't want to get financial advice from me. But I can tell you what I'm looking at, and I have been right about Doge most of this time. But then again, maybe I was just getting lucky. I think everybody gets a little lucky with stocks. Although I did trade stocks for cash, day trading, with a seat on the CME. But I did not like that experience, and so I don't claim to be an expert. But if you just look at it's anticipation. So there's anticipation. It just happened earlier. The 69 cent happened. Mark Cuban firmly believes that Doge to $1 this year will happen, and that Doge becomes what everybody uses to take for their cryptocurrency. Because Bitcoin is going to be more valuable. I have been long on Doge, Mina, since day one. I don't have a sell number. I don't even have a trim number at this point anymore. I have a check my wallet in 2031 perspective on this. So I think it's going to be like $3.50 by then. So I had predictions. You want to see some crazy predictions here? Does everybody see the tweet? Do we need to see the tweet anymore? I'll get that off the screen. Check this out. I got something to show you. This was a mathematical equation of where Dogecoin is predicted to be, and we showed this the other day. I'm gonna have to get the whale out of here. Sorry. The whale's gonna have to swim away. Boop. There you go. And the dancing. Sorry. You know how many buttons I have over here in this thing? It's ridiculous. I gotta get rid of the dancing dude. Dancing alien. No, he stays. We need the dancing predator to be gone. Okay. The yacht party can handle this. So $2 mid-year, which is this summer. $3.20 by the end of 2021. And these are forecasts not considering the market cap. So that is why these seem outrageous. But look at this. In just 1 year, $7. A year later, $10. They predict by 2032, $33. Now, we don't know what's going to happen to inflation, but if inflation goes up, that's possible. But the problem is that a tank of gas is going to be like $20. But that could happen, right? And I think that Dogecoin will outperform inflation. So I think that this, and keep in mind, this is simply if it was just like a regularly traded stock. Mind bobble. I don't know how they came to this, and quite frankly, I don't know. It just says they're not liable. It says Coin Price Forecast Center. So don't know. But I think they just take a chart and they say how much did it grow the last 2 months or whatever, and they go over that. Okay, so Blaze Christian, you make up a really good point. So, and you say that would be 30 times Bitcoin's market cap. No, and yes, right? So here's the thing. In 10 years, what's the market cap going to be for Bitcoin at that point? You see what I'm saying? So as everything grows and expands, that's what's going to happen. That's what's going to happen. So, make sense? Okay, everybody's missing the point of whales. There isn't any form of market tool that doesn't have large players in it adjusting price using their weight. Jersey Bro, that's a great idea. You can waste the rest of the money, but yeah, use it for that and then waste the rest of it. So everything's going to expand. Bitcoin's market cap, everything. So as everything expands, if you would have told somebody in 1970 how high the Dow Jones would be and how many people were invested in it, they wouldn't believe you, right? So what's up, Dave? Good name, Dave. So just think about what's possible. I'm saying it's not impossible. I'm saying it's totally possible. That's right. When in doubt, zoom out. And if we zoom out, let's look at 6 months. Okay? Let's not cry over this. Because this is more likely going to look like more of this. And right now we're in one of these. Not even that. We're in like one of these. So all the way up to about $1. Look at that. Look at that. That's a beautiful graph, isn't it? It's a beautiful graph. It almost looks like a dragon or like a peacock or something right there, right? What is that? What do you guys think that looks like? Does that look like a bird? Or does it look like a doge dog? Does that look like a dog, kind of? Or is that a person? See? And they said I shouldn't go to art school because people were crazy. All right. How do you make a dog nose? It's going to look like a pig. Does that look like a dog? Does that look like a dog? Okay. All right. So, 2 things guaranteed. I see the Hofsta. One of those things sounds like it's going to happen. So you think if it goes to... Thank you, Killian Brady. So you think if it goes to 45, it could hit 37. There could be a tanking, and I hope we're not estimating what's going to happen. What time will SNL will stream? It's on at 8:30 my time, or live in New York. So thank you. Yeah. What's my prediction for the overnight? I'd like to give you a firm prediction. However, I don't really know. I feel like it's going to stick around here until Saturday, though. I don't see too much volatility until Saturday itself, because people are going to worry what's going on, up until then. But flex at Twitter. What's that? What? Is there another tweet I need to look at? Tell me if there's another one I need to look at. Doge is prank coin. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, that's strange. Now we know who didn't buy Dogecoin in the room. All right, you're the whale. That's right. I'm a real artist. That's worth money. That's a Shibu. All right. Yes, Josh. Yes, we had that one up. Is everybody seen the tweet? All right. We'll put up one more time. So the tweet is David Spade. I wonder if Elon Musk is. Oh no! I get this thing in the way. I wonder if Elon Musk will be a 90-minute infomercial for Dogecoin, buying it as we speak. And Elon had a laughing thing that he replied to it. So that's what happened on the tweet there. I could maybe just leave it right there and kind of show up. What is this guy? We get the weirdest little freaks in here. So weird. All right. Don't get nervous unless you were just waiting for it to hit $1 and then sell it all. Then you'll be waiting a little bit longer. But I don't think it's going back to 5 cents. Could Coinbase be the whale? I don't believe so, unless they literally just want to own it for their own investment portfolio. Whoever owns it has owned it. So they've got a ton of money on their hands. So it's worth $25 billion. That's crazy. Yeah. Here's what I do. And here's what I do. And here's what I did. I recouped my original investments that I did over like a month and a half when it hit 40 cents the first time. And it was almost by accident, but not. Okay, so I did that because I wanted to not have to worry about selling. Because what it does in the long run is allows me to hold longer. Because I'm not worried, because if anything happens, I didn't lose any money. I simply broke even. I didn't do anything at that point, right? I can't lose money at that point. Not dollars, right? I can lose potential earnings, but I don't look at that. So it's the Shinola cartel. I know. They're all over the place. I bought my father a watch, and he liked that company. So, oh, I thought you were talking about the ads that were on that thing. It's the Sinaloa cartel. Well, do they make watches too? I bet they work all night long through the night. If the whale is smart, they might. Or the whale, they're waiting for $1 or $2. And the whale could prop up the market if they wanted to. And it wouldn't be too expensive for them. Yes. Matt Helmke says, it's my mom. She takes huge dumps. Don't we know it, buddy? Gary Busey, he's the whale. I told my story about him already. All right, we're going to give away $25. And here's how this works. Okay, everybody? All right. All way too much in info. All right, here we go. I'm going to get this. And we're going to do another one is... This is for $25, and it's going to be it's a bigger phrase. You can't type it more than once, or it'll take you out of the drawing. So if you type it in once, you're in the drawing. If you type it 2, 3, 4 times, it takes out. That was funny. A bigger dump than a food poisoning outbreak at a scat porn convention. Okay, that's funny. You got a career in comedy, kid. All right, you guys ready? All right, I'm going to take my picture off of here and draw some more artwork later. Type in Elon Musk Dogecoin tweet. Okay? Elon Musk Dogecoin tweet. Only enter it once. It's for $25. Okay? Whoops. Let's get rid of these lines. Here we go. There we go. Whoever it said was going up a little bit. There we go. See? There we go. Climbing. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Elon Musk Dogecoin tweet. There we go. And I'll explain while you're all voting, why am I doing this? Why am I giving money away? Well, I want more subscribers. And so if I'm giving away $25, this isn't spam. Everybody's entering to win this. Do not do it more than once or it takes you out of the thing. So if you want to win the money, type it once. Okay. And I'll actually go into my settings here and edit the speed and the live chat. Oh, I already have that on there. All right. All right. Yeah. And so you're all entered when you type that in, and YouTube pays me, and because there were ads in front of this, and what I'm doing is handing that money back so that we can get more subscribers. And when I have 50,000 subscribers, I'm throwing a Dogecoin yacht party, and I'll figure out how we get people on there and who can come on. So, all right. I did not buy the BTT Kim's Nature channel. I did not buy the boy band of cryptocurrencies. No, I forgot. So, all right. That's okay. If you typed it incorrectly, then type it in the right way and it'd be good. Do you think you can just buy our affection? That's exactly what I'm doing. If I get subscribers and then you happen to like what you watch, then perfect. So... And thank you for the chat revenue. I appreciate that. I'm pretty sure I recognized you and thanked you for it. And if I forgot somehow. So, all right. So you're getting some of my YouTube money, not all of it. Turns out they pay pretty okay. So if I get 50,000 subscribers, I can just kind of do this full time and hire somebody to run the other stuff I have. My digital marketing company. Okay, Henry, it's not going to leave your thing in there because it's, yeah, there you go. The curse words, the bot takes it out. You guys all ready? Can I give away $25? Elon Musk's Dogecoin tweet is the secret password to get entered. And let me check with chatbot here. Now, I don't pick the winner, the chatbot does. It's called Nightbot. Very original. And only 130 of you have typed in the phrase. So, but, 131. There you go. Who sounds like Joe Rogan? I don't sound like Joe Rogan. Do I look like him? Oh, somebody sent me a hat. So if that's why, this hat was sent to me by Mad Threads. Thank you once again. I just picked it up today at my mailbox thing. So if you want to send me anything, the address is in my about page. All right. Stop with the dick pics, please. Thank you. There we go. All right. So I'm giving away $25, and then if I get to 14,000 subscribers, I'll give away 1,000. I'm gonna give away 1,000 on the next live. I mean, I correct that. $100. It's $100 I'm giving away if I get to 14,000 subscribers. I'm giving away 100 on the next live stream because of the last crossover I hit. So make sure you subscribe so you get notification when this comes on. So I think a bounce is coming too. I think Steam and the early Steam ran out, and I think there's going to be like a fourth quarter, and then you're going to see it around these prices again Sunday, Monday, and then you're going to see it start trucking back up for like 2-3 weeks towards $1 again. No, I take back the $1,000. I'm giving away 5,000 total, if that helps, but not all at one time. Okay. Elon Musk Dogecoin tweet. It's to enter the thing in here. No, those people are typing that in because we're doing a contest right now. Thank you for caring, Chad Z. So it's a contest, and that's how you enter is type in a phrase. And I'm gonna pick the winner right now, or Nightbot is. All right, here we go. It's not Mia Talifa. Her name's Kate. And people call her Kat. All right, here we go. The passphrase is... What was it again? Elon Musk Dogecoin tweet? You got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. All right. There we go. C. Wilson. C. Wilson. C. Wilson. You won. Go to my about page and email me and tell me if you want Venmo or PayPal. Why do I not pay in Dogecoin? Because not everybody has a wallet, and because I haven't figured out how to do that on my taxes yet. So once I do, I'll start paying in Doge. I don't even pick. I just literally hit the thing. It says roll it, whatever, and then it picks. So C. Wilson. All right. So where were we? What were we talking about there? Thank you for the likes. We just had like 50 come in. Appreciate that. Makes me feel good. All right. So we're done with the contest. That's not, and then, like I said, if we hit another 1,000, we need like 800 more. If we get like everybody who's in it right now to subscribe, we'll be halfway there. So we need 879 more. But thank you for all the subscribes. It means a lot. The people who make me sit in this room and do this live stream, thank you. Under the threat of violence. That's right. Buy more Dogecoin. All right. Okay. Are whales selling? I don't think so. Somebody just bought a ton. Look at this. Somebody put some skin in the game right here. But there's been higher volume the last 2 hours than the rest of the day. So it's interesting. I don't know. Asia maybe. Thank you. Thank you for subbing. Yeah, if we get the views up. Thank you, Shannon Black. That was David Spade. Yeah, he did. You know, he probably makes a lot of money from those Sandler movies, I bet. Doge is a terrible investment, too. Okay. I'm reading comments. Fahar, you're from Indonesia and you want to talk something. Tell me. Oh, yeah, it's Melinda Gates getting some of that. You know, he gave her $2 billion, like walking money when they got separated. I read an article about it today. Apparently, the whole family doesn't like Bill now. Something about 5G or something. I don't know. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, YouTube. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. The whiskey mixer. That sounds... I need a whiskey mixer right about now is what I need. Like, not the mixer that goes into a whiskey, although I do like ginger ale in my whiskey. Sometimes. Spikachu, you worked with David Spade on Grown Ups. Oh, so that was a Sandler movie, right? So, yeah, he's been in a bunch of those. You keep making money off that because people keep watching it, right? When do I think Coinbase will list Doge? I think soon. They're the ones that are losing money, so I think they're going to pick it up, and it's going to be, you know. You don't think he's stuck around? We'll give him 5 minutes, and then we'll pick again, I guess. I don't even know how to... Oh, I can roll it again, actually. I got it. We'll give him like 5 minutes, and then I'll roll it again, okay? So don't leave. If you've already played, you might have a second chance at this. Because our man didn't... he might have left the room. Yeah, Sandler movie, yeah. Thank you, Joseph Poon. Hello, first time investing, and I don't get Bitrex order books. First time I see more green than red volume, and also they're very close. Thank you. I don't even know how to answer that question, really. You're asking... Well, green volume than red volume means that they're going up, usually. And I'm not using Bitrex, so I don't know if I can answer that for you. I'm sorry, but thank you for the $5. You know what there is, though? I would look at all the tutorials because all these systems have a lot of tutorials, and they'll tell you exactly what you're looking for. Google will be your friend. Thank you for the $5. Is this the dump of Doge? It is not the dump of Doge. You know what's funny is it's 55 cents. And like 24 hours ago, it was like 60 something. It was 5 cents 2 months ago. Probably less. Come on now. Let's if we had a time machine in March and I said we'd be here right now, people would be like, they would be like lighting themselves with Crisco and jumping up and down a hill, smoking cigars with like champagne, pouring champagne on themselves. So how do you play? Well, when I give the money away, you type in a phrase, but the phrase is already done. So this is TradingView I'm looking at, and there's a link in my thing. You get like a 30% discount if you use it and use my link. So go ahead and use that link if you want to. There's all kinds of indicators that you can search up and stuff and use. I think it's definitely worth it. It's a tax write-off too. Yeah. Especially with how long 5 cents lasted. Yeah. So I think to be in the 40 to 50 cent range is outstanding. To keep that going for like a month. That's right, Jessica. I wish I knew what I know now 10 years ago. Not just a year ago. What do I think about Safe Moon? I don't know what to think about Safe Moon. That's what I think. I've looked into it. I haven't bought any. I was about to just for shits and giggles, but I did not. So. Did you use? Yep. Use my link. You get a discount, and I get money back. You get a discount, and I get kicked back some cash. I'm a 5 center. I was around 5 cents for the most of my Dogecoin. So, here's the funny thing. So I did the math on this, and I'm gonna look something up real quick. Honda Civic, Dogecoin. Boom, boom. All right, let's see. Oh, get out of there. No, not interested. Okay. So I'm trying to find the name of which creator it was, and I'm spending way too much time on it than I should be. Okay, it's Billy Marcus. So Billy Marcus sold in 2015 about 10,000 all his Dogecoin holdings. This is one of the two creators of Dogecoin. And prediction for a year from now, $1.50. 2 years. $1.50 from a year from now, maybe. Yeah, last chance there, C. Wilson. I'm going to redraw. So, and he sold all of his coins, which were worth at the time about $10,000. And it ended up being, let me see what the amount was. I have it on my calculator. It was, so basically, if he would have held on to the thing that he created just for shits and giggles instead of cashing out for 10 grand, he'd have almost $77 million of Dogecoin. $77 million worth of Dogecoin if he would have kept it. He didn't have faith in it, I guess. Sold it. It's crazy. All right, our guy didn't show up. I'm gonna repick somebody now. This is for $25, okay? You guys have already entered. And here we go. CG, you won. CG, you won the $25. Are you in here still, CG? What's up, Moon Steppin'? You're not late. You're just on time. You're right on time. You type in a phrase. CG's here. CG. Find my email, my about page, when you get a chance, and email me and let me know if you want Venmo or PayPal and how to send that. So there you go. We got a winner. I'll give away more money later. That was for $25. And if I can get another 800 subscribers in here tonight, I'll give away $100 live tonight instead of tomorrow night too. And tomorrow night. Both nights. Both nights. If we can get to 14,000 total subscribers, which we're 800 short. So, what's up, Eric? Slitterbox, Mina, the Hype Man, Stuart, Louise. Do I think the fall to 55 cents before reaching $1? I think you could see a retrace down into the 30s if something had a really bad day. Dogecoin is volatile, and it's not as volatile. It's still volatile. I take that back. It's just been volatile on the way up. So I'm going to say that it's not like, we were getting bored when it was a whole month. It was at 5 cents, between 5 and 6 cents. This has been going up, and it's still volatile. It's not like it's like a safe. It's not like you're investing in like Ford or something. So let's remember that while we're doing that. Yeah. So I think this is the calm before the storm. I think there's going to be a little mini run up to the Saturday night, and then you're going to see Sunday, Monday, Tuesday sell off. And then you're going to see it start working its way back up to $1. No, you can chase money and be spiritual if you do them at 2 separate times. Or you can do it at the same time and get a jet for your church. Please send money. Happy132. I assume you don't actually think Dogecoin has any value, or you're just on the hype train, correct? I am more than happy to answer that question. Do you know what the definition... What do you mean, Happy? What do you mean by value? I need the answer to that before I can answer my question. I want to give you a chance to fix your statement. Or to clarify it. And then I'll answer. So Happy's asking, I assume you don't actually think Dogecoin has any value, or you're just on the hype train, correct? I could be both of those if I wanted. Or I could be two of those things and something else. but I will answer your question as honestly as I can. I can't play those theme songs. I would. You know what I would do is I would put on Grand Theft Auto radio is what I would do. Because they had the best radio stations. But they would copyright strike me. And then they demonetize and they make me edit stuff out. So I have to use copyright free music. But I would use Grand Theft Auto soundtrack in a heartbeat. All right, since you're not typing, I'm going to answer your question. So it says, I assume you don't actually think Dogecoin has any value or just on the hype train, correct? Okay. Value is an agreement by what other people think something is worth. Okay. I mean in the sense of technology behind the coin itself and not really valuable. It has no upcoming big things. Okay. So, thank you for clarifying. A currency does not have to have a technology behind it. Cryptocurrencies are currencies, right? They don't have to have a technology behind them. People started to add technologies behind cryptocurrencies after the fact in order to make them more attractive for investors to differentiate themselves from Bitcoin. Okay? So now you tell me, is it better to have a bar of gold, which really doesn't have any practical value, that people agree is worth a lot, or to have a television that was cutting edge in 1978, but is worthless today, right? Because technology is almost a hindrance to a cryptocurrency in its long-term value because technologies get outdated. See? So I'd rather invest in a dumb coin, and dumb in the nicest way possible. Sorry, Doge. Meaning that it doesn't really have a function except that people choose to use it and invest in it. So that's my theory on that. Now, as far as it having value, it has approximately, let's see how much value it has. Dogecoin, as of today, because I think it's like 90 or something. Dogecoin market cap. Dogecoin has a market cap today of... You guys probably want to look at this maybe a little bit. Everybody likes looking at charts and numbers, right? Need a new graphics card. So $72 billion worth. So people with money on this planet all agree that Dogecoin has a value in total of $72 billion. So you can't tell me it doesn't have value. It's right there. It's literally an open traded commodity. You can't figure out something's value any easier than that. What two people are willing to exchange it for. Now, will the value change and be volatile? Yes, it will. Will it calm down eventually? Yes, it will. So I think it's foolish just to say something doesn't have value because somebody didn't tell you that it's got like a crazy whatever engine underneath it, blah 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 blah. You know, you could have a car that doesn't run, that doesn't have an engine in it, but it's a body of a really rare like Mustang or Cobra or Corvette or something. That's still valuable, but it doesn't have the technology. So value is what we agree something is worth by definition. So it reminds me of one of those what I saw some meme and it was like, don't let the opinion of somebody who doesn't think you're valuable, like, or a low opinion somebody else has of you, change your value in your own self. And I was like, I kind of disagree with that because what other people think of you is your value basically, because it's what you contribute. So if you contribute to like your family or your team or whatever, then you're valuable. You know what I mean? So who's spamming? I think he was deleted, wasn't he? We'll just do this. Hide user. I like the hide user one, just goes out. So that's my opinion on that. John Mayer, is he the guy? Is he the whale? John Mayer. Tan Chodoroy. I don't know if you know that Blue Hair Dave is an ex-convict. That's news to me. Suicide attempt because he got wrecked. What does that mean? Well, your name looks so familiar, Tan. Why does that look so familiar to me? I get some weirdos in here. We had a guy, a racist earlier. I just ignored him. Tan Chowdhury. Let's look up his page. See what he's got going on here. What's up, Tan? Oh, it's an impersonating Tan Chowdhury because this guy's got 89,000 subscribers. I know he wouldn't do that. Wrong guy. Maybe there's a bunch of Tan Chowdhurys out there. It's the same picture though. Interesting. So I'm not an ex-convict or a current one, not that I'm aware of. But if the feds start knocking on the door, you'll know why I ran. Interesting, Chan. I got wrecked. I don't understand suicide because he got wrecked. Oh, I see. He thinks I got ass raped in jail. I did not. I was the one doing all that. I'm a top, buddy. All right, let's see. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. So Happy says, I agree with that, but even in the sense of transaction fees, there are tons of coins that will have already lower fees, making them better for the people to adopt. Or, well, tell that to everybody that made it the fourth largest coin. So that's what I think about that. Also, the best technology doesn't always win. It's whoever people adopt earlier. Betamax, VHS, the 4K little technologies. Things are better, don't necessarily get adopted, right? Are there more In-N-Out burgers or McDonald's in the country? There's more In-N-Outs. It's a better burger, right? Different burger. So you see what I'm saying? Yeah. So all that, none of that matters, is what I'm saying. $5 to $10 with inflation? Yes. There you go. 27 cents isn't bad. We got 50 centers in here somewhere. So, hey, enough with flex ass Twitter. You've done it like 100 times, so we get it. I'll check it out when I get a chance. All right. I'm very sensitive about that right now because I have a 10-year-old and he interrupts and raises his hand in class. And we're trying to stop him from doing that all the time. And that's what you're doing. Me. But I am looking it up. See, the squeaky wheel gets the Twitter. Okay, let's look this up. Flex. What is it? What's the link here? Flex. There's like 1 million flex ass on Twitter. I'm a 5 center. I don't even know who that is. So, you mean the property dude? Flex. I don't know who Flexa is. You talking about a person? You talking about the company? Well, oh, okay. There we go. Okay. I see. So, got it. All right, it's a payment network trying to get a Twitter followers. So here, I'll put it up. There you go. Make you happy. All right. So this is a tweet that just came out 10 hours ago from Flexa. And it said, okay, Twitter, do your thing. If we get 1,000 retweets, we'll make Doge spendable at every single one of our 41,000 stores on Flexa tomorrow. So they're going to... and then they say, well, guess we'll turn it on today. So you can now go to Flexa and you can spend with Dogecoin. So that's pretty cool. All right. There we go. Flow. They got Doge rolled over here. They didn't expect that to happen so quick. And now they have 16,000 followers. All right. Good on them. I should make my OnlyFans payable by Dogecoin. If you're saying, everybody keeps calling her Mia. If you're talking about Kate Fish, yes, she is a Doge enthusiast. Cole being pessimistic, saying 25 cents tonight. I don't know. Oh, CG, couldn't find your email. Well, here, I'll just... It's Dave at bluehairdaveplan.com. So, there you go. But on my About page, there's an email address. And it's in the description of the video, too. So... What's up? Stuart Wild. I think you're coming into the conversation about the value. Yeah, well, by definition, that's just the way it is. It's whatever people are willing to give you in exchange. So like your skill set for a job or something. Catfish? Well, some people call her Cat, but her name's Kate. Some people do call her Cat. Yeah. She lives in Canada. I never met her in person. I just pay all of her bills. Her tuition. She sends me pictures once in a while. She said they're selfies. She can't make it over here because of passport problems. She has a really husky voice. Sounds Russian. Who am I paying? I'm not paying anybody. For the winners, I do it through Venmo because it's attached to my business account for tax purposes. I don't need more confusing paperwork just yet, but I'm going to work on that. It's not so bad, I don't think. I thought there was going to be a bloodbath earlier today when which one of these happened? What time was it? This right here. When these happened, I thought we were heading for a bloodbath today. I made a video, what to do with the bloodbath, and I didn't release it because it did it a little bit slower than I anticipated. I was like, what to do when Doge crashes. People get mad when I do those videos, though. They're like, oh, don't do that. You got to be honest with people, though. Maybe not. They just hype things all the time, and then they enjoy it. People want to hear cheerleader, I think. But gotta be careful out there. Yes, you can ask one more question, please. Please ask away. I don't know if you're talking. Next big buy is 17 cents. Okay, we got some people going dollar behind. I think somebody. I think it's a. Oh yeah, we have another. Person messing with us. It says, Dave, you deleted my porn videos. I hope nobody deleted my porn videos. I have perfect posture and form. Considering there will be Happy132 wants to know, considering there'll be less of Bitcoin dominance as we move on, so altcoins will rise, including Doge. But if the 15 people owning almost 70% of Dogecoin leave, it will crash or... yeah, it could. Yep. Yes, it certainly could. It could. Yes, and so this is different than how of anything else. Because the money I spend the most is the US dollar, and if China decides to sell all its treasuries, it can crash, right? Yet somehow, we all keep using it. So, if I drive a car and one of the other drivers on the other side of the road is not paying attention, and swerves into me and hits my car, I can get killed, right? So should I not drive the car? That's the way I look at it. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. Now, do I think that this has gone up really quick and it could come down really quick? Yes. 100% yes. It's a speculation. It's risky. Do I think that it's going to be in the next couple of years worth $1 to $3? Yes. So that's why I don't care what happens in the short term. I'm just here to check out the ride, enjoy it. Now, the whales can be worrisome because they can adjust price, but that only matters if I care what the daily price is. I'm not day trading it, so I don't care what the daily price is. And people that fixate on the daily price, please subscribe to my channel, are going to kill themselves worrying about something that they're not even selling. So it's kind of like here. It's a weird analogy, but it's kind of like getting married and then making your wife walk around at a swingers party naked and then no, this isn't a good analogy. Wearing if she's going to hook up with somebody and watching it 24 hours a day. Like, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, you're going home. I don't know. That doesn't make any sense. That was really weird. I have a dark spot in my mind. But what I'm saying is it doesn't really matter. So when in doubt, zoom on out. Let's zoom on out. So you look. Look. I just made everything better. Yeah. We just zoomed out 3 months. There's 3 months. So could this kind of go like this and then go like this and go like this up to here? Yeah, that's exactly what it's going to do. So don't just think because it's you live in the desert and because it rained for half a day with a thunder shower that you don't live in a desert anymore. You still do. Don't think because if you live in a rainforest, it stopped raining for 3 hours that you don't live in a rainforest. Right? Because it's the overall what happens is that what matters to most of us. So that's right. The 5-cent hold is what hardened us. That's right. That's right. BTFD. That's where you make money. The people that sell when these things go down that are worried about it, Comtrues. Is this the DJ Comtrues that makes all my favorite late night synth stuff? You're not the same person, are you? Thank you, Doge Lord Apparel, $2. I'm gonna say they got a clothing store. Check them out, Doge Lord Apparel. Mad Threads made this hat for me. And it's got a cool, like, thick embroidery on the front. It's pretty awesome. So, what's up, Basil Church? I'm going to answer that question, Happy132, in a second. I'll go back to it and remind me if I don't. Basil says, Dave is a metaphorical, philosophical genius. Yeah, that wasn't my best work, the send your wife to the swinger party naked. Yeah. But you see what I'm saying? You'd have high anxiety, right? So don't watch it. You know? I don't know. So here's a real life one. My wife was a bartender. And so every night there's 5 guys giving her a phone number, right? So you can't worry about it. You know? You just can't worry about it. Okay. So let me answer this. So Nicholas says, hello, Dave. There's a great potential of the coin. Please at least research after the broadcast. I'll do... Oh, for the coin you mentioned? I'll try and check it out, but this will go back to the question of Happy132. Could I ask what other coins you have looked at, things you have your money invested in crypto-wise? Oh, I'm a real simple investor. See, also, I Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, and then Ethereum. So I don't have a high risk tolerance. So what I do is spatter money out, since, you know, it's not like I'm out clubbing or anything. So the expendable money is just sitting there, and that is going to different altcoins or random stocks. The rest of it is invested in stuff that is age appropriate for me and for my child for college. So it's like the standard stuff, but it's been going ridiculously well because the stock market's been on a run for about 9-10 years. So about 10 years. So it was kind of hard to lose. Real estate. And I'm also a 10 year from now when my kid's almost done college and I got to start looking at money. What am I going to do when I downsize? Things like that. When I retire, we'll see what stuff's worth. And I want to spread out to, my new plan is I'm just going to shotgun a bunch of altcoins that are just kind of sitting there, and then get lucky on a couple of them and follow them just for shits and giggles, kind of like sports betting, because I see this all as betting. This is gambling to me, and I don't like a feeling of feeling sick when I'm gambling. I like to enjoy it. So if I can get the same thrill of playing the game with only like in Vegas, you can go sit at a table like at the Cosmo, and it's hard to find a $25 minimum. So you're like at $100, sometimes it's $75, $50, $100 minimum table. Or I can go over to a Casino Royale and or O'Shea's, and I could bet with $1 minimum, where the chips are worth like 10 cents if I want. And so I have the same joy. So I'd rather do that. And so that's why I do it with altcoins. So, or just inexpensive ones, because they set a potential to go up. So what's up, Deanna? You're not our only friend in here tonight from the Netherlands. There's another person in here. We've got 2 Netherlanders as far as I know. Casino Royale. What's up, Freddie Perez? That's right. You know what I'm talking about. So I'd rather go, well, they have the $2, what is it? Michelobes? $2 Michelobes? Don't get the hot dogs. I've done that. They should take Dogecoin. They can get rid of the pimps and just take the Dogecoin, and they'll be safer. Prostitutes should be able to take Dogecoin. It would make them safer. What if we tweet Insta DM like all the celebrities right now to get Doge? We need to have them come on the show, and then we'll have them talk about Doge. How about we do that? Get them there. So, what's up, William? We got Dummy Crash, Michael, Calm Trues. Got some Safe Mooters in here. Nicholas. Nicholas says, I'm better than the guy who waves his hands constantly predicting coin prices. Which guy is that? I don't know which guy that is. I don't know. I the ones I've watched are, I'll see Matt's because they're short, like his 2-minute videos. I don't watch the live streams really, which is Final Stand. But I watch Crypto Batman because he's just entertaining. He's weird, and so I like that. I like the weird part about it. So. Stretch Magic, what's up? Got Cerebral Strain. Got Buying the Dip, 10 grand. Nice. Gary Poland says he's still holding his 25 billion in Doge. So Gary Poland is the whale. Gary Poland is the whale. So Doge Lord Apparel, check out his store. I'll have to Google that too. Amazon's going to take Dogecoin? Not necessarily. I actually did a thing with support with them, and they said no. Now, does that mean they're not going to take BitPay? That could work. I asked them directly if they're accepting Dogecoin or Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, and they said no. And they'd let me know. I kid you not. I was going to do a video on it. I should probably still do a video on it. In fact, I think I have a little video right here. It's too small for you to see, unfortunately. But they literally, I recorded the chat, and it literally, Ron Jeremy is Ron Jeremy is in jail, isn't he? Yeah. Com Trues, are you the DJ or not? You know there's a DJ with that name, right? He's pretty famous. He makes like synth stuff. Max Bimmer wants to know, hold or sell? Depends on whether you want to make money or lose money. So many rumors. I know. The real question is hold or buy. That would be my question. This is a buying opportunity for anybody who thought they missed out in mid 60s. So, I know. And if you sell, guess what happens? You lose your money, or you make it, depending on what it was. But the thing is why would you sell now when you could have sold at 69 cents? So I bet a lot of people sold at 69 cents. So, Al Vincent is in Toronto, the location of my girlfriend. Well, you should say hi to her. See how she's doing. See how she's enjoying the convertible. Check in on her. That'd be nice. Thank you. Okay, we get it. Skylink, thank you. It's going up. Bye. Okay, so we've got people giving us icons, and then got a Bible dude. All right. Bearish chart until 50. Ay. Yep, I trimmed off my original investments, and that was it. Al Vincent Gozum, what's up? Thank you for the Canadian $5. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm not going to give you advice there, I am Siri, but I don't know what your intentions are. What are your goals? What is your risk level? This is not financial advice, but I could put myself in your shoes and tell you what I would do. Psychic reading by Andre. I would love to do psychic readings. Like, be a psychic reader. SNL. I hope SNL isn't like the almighty Doge Day, Blake says. Oh, Blake, it is. And it already happened, I think. This dip right now is everybody learned their lesson from Doge Day. So everybody went in a week early instead of like 4 days early. This is exactly what this is. And it'll rebound from this. But this does not look good currently. This is buying territory. If we do see a Doge skit, will it have any impact on the price? Yes. People were let down by the whole Doge Day thing. So if there's a skit, it will go up. Yeah. Slitterbox is gonna be up all night watching this. I didn't think it'd be over 50 cents. I thought it'd be like 15 cents. If I'm being honest, I thought it would just track up like 5 cents every month. That's what I thought. Like with an average of 5 cents. If you're mad for missing out on Doge, grab a Snickers. Yeah. When do I sell? In the year 2031 to 2033. Somewhere between that time. So 10 to 12 years from now. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah, exactly. That's my theory, and it works. It works pretty well. So, hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're in here right now. I'm gonna give away $100 on my next live stream to one person, and you gotta be subscribed to get the notification to know when it comes on, so that you're there to get the drawing available to you. No problem, Zufi. You can buy the gift card with Doge. I have not tried that yet. quite frankly, my Doge is a little too valuable to be spending on Amazon right now. You know what I'm saying? Right? At 5 cents, it made sense. That's the double-edged sword. If this keeps going up and doesn't stabilize at some point, people won't spend it because they'll hold on to it. It's not crushing hearts. This is part of investing. I'm going to assume that the people that are freaking out don't have a long history of investing. It just looks worse. It does look pretty bad though, doesn't it? And it doesn't look great, right? But this is what happens. Okay? Can I tell you a little story? It's going to make you feel better. Okay? It does look pretty shitty. I'll admit it. Here's a little story about me. Here's a little story about guy you know so well. We got low key freak out, panic buy. Ugh. So people have heard this story before, but I was trying to buy like a discount stock, right? And so you don't know what's going to happen with certain stock, certain investments. Some of them do go bonkers, and some of them do well. So I was looking at two, and I just saw brokers post, and it was SunEdison and Bank of America, and this was like 2009 or 10 when they were both shit stocks in the $3 range or lower, I think. And so I was like, where am I going to spend some money here? These things are going to rebound, so it doesn't really matter who I pick. And I said, you know what looks stronger to me? Because BABA was under some investigation and stuff. I should have known better. And it wasn't too far previous that actual companies folded and went out of business. So I thought it was possible that Bank of America could go out of business. And so I decided to invest in SunEdison because they had solar. And I'm like, solar's the future, so they'll make more money. Not really knowing what was going on. Well, they went bankrupt. And so I didn't get any of my money at all. I didn't even get a chance to sell the stock. They went bankrupt, which means no more trading and go fuck yourself. And so I get paperwork that says that. It's like it takes like 8 pages of them for to say, go fuck yourself. You're not getting any money. But Bank of America is worth like 10, 12 times more money today. So what I'm saying is this could keep going up or it could go down and you could lose all your money. I hope that helps. But you know what won't happen if you don't sell? You won't lose your money. Now, let me ask you another question. Did you invest an amount of money into something like Dogecoin that you're going to need in like a week or two or next month or like 6 months from now? If the answer is yes, then you need to reevaluate your investing strategies. Because you're gambling, you're not investing. Here's the other thing. The grass, this is to set your mind at ease. This, I should change the thumbnail to therapy session with Dave. I'm going to make you feel better. The grass is always going to be greener on the other side. There's always going to be something you should have invested in instead of this thing, right? You should have done this. You should have put more in. I'm kicking myself that I didn't put more money into Dogecoin. I have the money, but I just chose to just kind of dip and play, according to my level, right? So, I should have put a couple $100,000 into it, and I didn't. So, and that would be, I could retire like today if I would have done that. But I did not quite. I need 9 million to retire, and that would have been 200,000 times 4. It would have been 4 million if it hits $1, which I think it will. That's still not enough for me to retire, which is a whole different live stream program. My magic number is 9 million. I'll talk about that one day. And because people underestimate how much money they need to retire. And so you're always gonna be like, oh, I wish I would have done that. I wish I would have done this. I wish I would have invested in that. I wish of, so So you can pepper a bunch of altcoins or pepper all the coins you want and just spread the love, and you get lucky with one of them. So, and it's not wrong to take a profit. The whole hodl forever is kind of foolish. You want to trim. It's natural. If something goes up too fast, it's bad for the investment vehicle. It's bad for the coin. It's bad for the stock. So. What do we think the floor is? That's a good question. I'm going to ask you guys. What do you think the floor is? Well, you know what? Here's the thing. If you do have a limit floor and you're worried about it, here's the beauty of that. Okay, there's a way to work around that so you're not going to feel like a schmuck, right? The problem with it is that you're going to have a tax burden. So that kind of sucks. So, say it goes down and your thing is 35 cents, right? And let's just say tonight there's a run down to 35 cents, which is not, it's not off the table. It's not ridiculous to say that could happen, right? So, but it might touch 35 and then be back to 42 like 5 minutes later. But you just sold your Dogecoin, right? And it goes to like 42 and then whatever. If it starts going back up, you just buy in at like 44 cents. And at that point, you only missed out on the 10-cent difference, which is a big deal, or a 5-cent difference if you think it's going to go back up. The problem is that you just got a tax hit on that money you just made because you probably bought it at lower than your thing. If you lost money, then that's probably helps your taxes for this year. It defers some of your income. So Shane's Tech Anal is at 44, and they got 40 cents. So I do not have a sell order at any level, even below 1 cent. So that's what I think. You want to see it? You guys really want anxiety? There you go. Now it's going up. Oh, now it's going down. So everybody can just watch these candles. I got it on the 5-second chart, and it's really up close. Just the last 12 minutes. Oh my gosh, what's going to happen here? Hey, everybody subscribe. I think tonight we might be able to hit my 14,000 subscribers, and I'll give away $100 on this program. Sorry, Neil. But now, look, it's green now. So maybe it's just more exciting. So there's support here. There's support. That's a lot of blue. You know what sucks? I can't figure out how to change the color of these from green to teal. Of this teal green. The red's okay. I hate teal green. So it's just a thing of mine. Like, I like the 80s neon colors, but I hate the teal. Am I a bad person for hating that? I don't know how to change these. So there we go. We got support. They're nerve-wracking. Yeah, don't panic sell, Jay. Don't panic sell. Nobody wins when that happens. You know what's not dipping? Taking a dip? Shit fart coin. Shit fart coin. Check it out on our Discord. Lake X just came in the room. He made our graphic for shit fart coin. I'm going to share it with everybody because it's such a good piece of artwork. And this is shit fart coins emoji. Shit fart coin. We're going to figure out how we're releasing it. It always floats, never dips. That's right, Matt. Shit fart coin. The amount of memes and stuff we could have for shit fart coin is great. Cole says he'd buy shit fart coin. Who wouldn't? It sneaks up on you. It really gives you a little power. Shit fart coin. It's always unexpected. Here we go. We're going up. The IRS already taxes all your crypto earnings. Fun fact. Just because if you're not reporting them doesn't mean that they're not going to find out about them. If you bought and sold through an exchange. We're all in this together. It's a brother and sisterhood. Kyle, yes. You don't know what's going on. When in doubt, you back on out. Vahib would like to know more about shit fart coin. You know, we can call it SFC in here so that the bot doesn't automatically ban you. SFC, shit fart coin. It's going to redefine shit coins. Like literally, redefine shit coins. Yes, the IRS will probably tax shit fart coins. All the billions we all make on shit fart coin, it will tax it. So shit fart coin, you can wipe your earnings away. We're going to make it really hard to buy and really hard to sell, and it won't really do anything at all. It'll have zero value, as our friend earlier said. But it'll be really hard to even understand. So it'll be so bad of a shitcoin that people will love it. It'll be so ironic, it's unironically ironic. It'll be like a man bun inside of a pair of skinny jeans on a piece of avocado toast that wears a Led Zeppelin t-shirt mixed with a Misfits t-shirt with a Wham leather jacket. If that makes any sense to anybody. Where's a good place to learn how to read the charts? I gotta tell you, this is heavy. This is D. I almost said this is heavy D. Oh, look at that. That's a perfect rainbow. That's a nice rainbow color. If it wasn't purple, pink. That's purple, right? Hot pink. TradingView has all kinds of stuff. Their like fact section teaches you everything you need to know. There's all kinds of indicators. You know what the funny thing about indicators are? Is like they really don't mean shit. Like people look at them all day long, but so there are patterns that people have. They figured out. Magenta, very good. Thank you. I like magenta. Magenta sounds good. Sounds like magma. Magna. That's not straight pink. It's magenta. Hot magenta. Yeah. You're right. It's magenta because it's the ink color, right? If you live in Thailand, you got, yeah, but even Americans that live in Thailand still have to pay the taxes on their earnings. Just because you live in Thailand doesn't mean you don't mean to pay American taxes. One of the few countries that does that. I think they have 100,000 or 100,000 and like 110,000 forgiveness, and then after that they tax everything else. And that's only money that's made outside of the United States. If it's made inside the United States and you're trading on an exchange that's based in the United States, then you're taxed on that no matter where you live on the planet. This is not tax advice. This is just things I've learned. When do I think it'll hit the $5 mark? I don't know, but it's going to be pretty hard in the future, I think. Unless there's some crazy amount of money that goes into the markets again. If the government keeps giving out $1 trillion, I think it'll happen sooner than we think. However, a piece of plywood will cost $100. So there's a give and take with that. Some resistance here. Well, I was just using ironic things, right? So the man bun was ironic. Yeah. No offense to people with man buns, man. Yeah. It's cool. I'm wearing a trucker hat, but somebody sent it to me, and I usually don't wear trucker hats. I look more rednecky, I think, in it. But Benjay, bless his heart, he hasn't come in here and he left the Discord. He used to make fun of my flat build hats, but that's what people wore. So, and in fact, they still wear it where I live. So. Crypto is going to get regulated no matter what. Okay, you want more Debbie Downer? You guys want some anxiety? My biggest fear with cryptocurrency for the last 10 years and why I never thought Bitcoin would stay around. I literally said that to friends of mine. And they're laughing at me because they have way more Bitcoin than I do. And I'll admit when I'm an idiot, which is just, 50-50 at any given time. And I said, if it gets too strong and powerful, the government has to regulate it or get rid of it. And you can't really regulate it because it's outside the system. So what do you do? And that's the problem. And so people say, well, governments can't stop crypto because it's blah, 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 blah. Yes, they can. Yes, they can. At any given time, somebody with enough tech can invade wallets. They can make the system unstable where people don't trust it. $100 billion of Dogecoin stolen, right? So they can do it because people can steal things, and then they'll do that's what they'll turn to. So what do I think the next push is? I don't know. These indicators actually, the ITG indicators actually work pretty well. But remember, we're really close up right now. So Cody says, why hasn't it happened yet? I'll tell you why. Because they were late to the party. And they're not sure what to do about it now. Because think about this. It was like 25% of all stimulus money was spent into cryptocurrency. I saw that in the news the other night, like a regular news station. Yeah, you start a war with somebody. China might not like it either, by the way. So it's not just the U.S. that doesn't like it. There's too much money wrapped up. So put it this way: if you look at the amount of money that's in Dogecoin, for instance. And the market cap, and then look at Bitcoin and say Dogecoin and Bitcoin crash 75%. That would set the economy back. It's that much money that's in it, but it's worldwide money too. So I don't know how much of that is people doing business in the United States, or China. So. But yeah, Turkey banned some, and India is proposing. The reason those countries are worried is because it renders they're literally afraid that it'll render their money pointless. So China already has a digital yuan, yes, and the U.S. is planning one. They literally just got the group together to explore how to implement their own digital money, which nobody's going to use, and how to basically improve it, they said, which means in their eyes regulate, which means ruin. But they have a real dilemma. So they're going to at least have to figure out how to tax it at a minimum. They got to figure out, how do we tax these guys? There we go. See? Yeah, there we go. So they're going to figure out how to tax it. They have to, because they got to get the money. You're supposed to just claim it, or if you're using an exchange, it's public record. So it's like all those people that use Venmo. And they're like, the government doesn't know, and people are sending me money in Venmo. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. PayPal doesn't report my... Yes, they do. That's right. We're shooting for the tennis ball. Good boy. Doge thoughts. Frodo G asks, is SNL going to be Doge news or just an advertisement stunt? I think that they'll do something about Dogecoin at this point on the show. 98% chance they mock it, but the meeting wasn't open to the public, Felipe, so I don't know. Didn't you sell all your Doge? You said in the comments. I had that news story out. Turns out it was a fake tweet. Doge thoughts. Where's Ferrari? Dogecoin Ferrari 2035. I bought the domain name Doge thoughts. I still have to make the site. No, that was a fake. That was a fake Twitter account. I retracted my video and changed it immediately when I found out. My retractions come much quicker. Nobody has to threaten to sue me, and I don't put it on like at 12 a.m. You bought it back, Felipe. All right. You need to have a stronger constitution. Just hold on. Don't make rash changes. Think about things. Kind of worked out for you, though, huh? It actually worked out for you. So that dip worked out, right? Because you probably sold it like 60 something cents, right? And you probably just bought back and came on in here on that little bargain at 52 cents. Shane Freeze. So, okay, you can answer me this. Shane, your Safe Moon. It says, Safe Moon is printing me nice money right now. Can you explain how, when you sold your Safe Moon, how long it took? Did you trade it for another coin? And then did you trade that for cash, like dollars? And how long did it take and how much money was taken out? I'm curious because I don't know. Yeah. So I want somebody to tell me that has experience. And since you just said you made money, I want to know. Because that's one of the hang-ups I have about SafeMoon is it seems like it's hard to sell. So I want to take that and make it 10 times harder, and we're going to make Shitfart coin with it. Shitfart coin. There's no way out of this. You just said that you printed money. You haven't sold it yet. Okay. Well. Okay. I need to talk to somebody who sold it. Because what a lot of people's problem with SafeMoon seems to be is the the selling penalty and the rug kind of thing, and yeah, so Bernie Madoff made me a bunch of money until he didn't, that kind of thing. So I'm not saying it's a thing, but that seems to be people's hang up about it, and so I'm like 50% of my eyeball looks at it kind of weird too. So I'm curious to talk to somebody. They're like, no, I sold it. 5 minutes later, the money's in my bank account. And then I'd feel better about it. And they're like, yeah, it was 10% short, as agreed, blah, 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 blah. And then that would put my mind at ease. Is anybody in here sold SafeMoon? SafeMoon screws you on the way in and the way out? Shitfart coin could. Or it tastes great in the way in and it feels terrible and it hurts on the way out. Shitfart coin. That'd be great, Shane. I'm curious. Don't sell it all, unless you want to. But like sell like $20 or $50 worth or whatever. Okay, so Lekex, you did that, and you took out $600, and like, was it like you have to trade to a coin and then cash, or did you put it into a coin? How's that work? I think everybody's curious, because I am. I meant to go buy something the other day and make a video about it, but I forgot. I keep getting video ideas, and then... Well, I'm not buying it for like an investment. It still seems a little weird to me. So I was just curious to do it for a video. So how long did that take? And it was just easy peasy. And because the B&B makes sense, so. Doge democracy. Shit fart coin. What you put in, you get back hours later. That's right. How to buy shit for? We don't have it yet. You can mine it though. We have like our version of it in the Discord, and we're gonna figure out how to take those and make them into actual shit fart coins. So join the Discord because we're gonna figure it out, and you can go in the Discord and actually mine some in the little app, and we're gonna figure out how to turn that into maybe some actual shit fart coin when we release it. Shit fart coin. It's gonna be loud and explosive. Yes. All right, 55 cents. That's right. You don't mind shit fart coin. You unclog it. Yeah. Smell the profit. That's right. I love it. I'm going to run the marketing department of shit fart coin just because I think it might be the best job. You would literally be making shit and fart jokes all day long in the office. They're making memes. We haven't decided on what fork. But we're probably going to somehow make it available to all the insider people. Like people that are in the Discord. If you're mining it in there. Just to... First. Don't know. We'll see what happens. Well, we want to make it a real community. The problem with having too many shit fart coin owners in one spot is you never have enough restrooms. Coming to a stall, yeah. Looks like it's going to be B&B Smart Chain too. Okay. All right. There you go. Whatever's easiest. With billions of Safe Moon. Scott wants to know why. Ooh, that doesn't look good. That's a lot of magenta. Why is everybody selling? I don't know. I think what my prediction is that it happened early. What happened is that the whole hype, you know, like Doge Day happened like up to like a day before. This happened like 4 days before because everybody learned a lesson. Everybody got in and invested starting on like Friday kind of thing, or like last Saturday. I don't think a whale sold. I don't think that's what's happening. They all figured out that Robinhood's not the whale, which is dangerous, but that whale hasn't done anything. So Matt says Shitfart coin will require nanocomputers to mine. That's how difficult it will be. Well, it does sound mighty difficult. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, folks. Yeah, I don't know how. It's probably going to be pretty easy to mine. We'll just make some weird burn rate. We have to incorporate some kind of thing that something happens unexpectedly, and you never know when it's going to be. When it sharts, there'll be like some kind of like every certain number of blocks it sharts and then burns a bunch of coins or something. Huh. What are the billions of safe moons worth today for Jerry? What's each safe? What's it worth? Robinhood confirmed it, Chris. That one of their corporate people said to put a fine Sharpie on it or whatever. We are not holding the money. That's not us. Yes, the redistribution method will literally dump on holders randomly. That sounds good. Yeah. So shit fart coin. Sometimes you get sprayed. It is possible to go up. This is just people seeing it. Look, it went really high, really early. Okay? It went really high, really early. It's got to have a correction. Here's your correction. And then maybe it goes back up towards $1. Who knows? But yeah, that's what happened. Shitfart coin won't have a rug pull. It will have a plug pull. Shitfart chain. Shitfart coin. He deleted that tweet? Shut up. Really? Let me look. Yeah, shut the front door. Well, it's still here on mine. Still getting likes. Here's the tweet. I wonder if Elon Musk on SNL will be 90 minutes infomercial for Dogecoin, buying it as we speak. Elon Musk just laugh. And then a bunch of hearts. But it just a bunch of hearts just came up. So, hey, it's still there. There we go. That's nice. Shitfart Shane. What's up, Shitfart Shane? You know what's going to be the best is when Shitfart coin. We're gonna do shit swaps. Is at the next, like, what's the name of like the largest cryptocurrency convention that would be like Las Vegas? Who knows? Anybody here know? Because I want to do a party at the next one. Like, we'll do a legit party. We'll get sponsors. It'll be free, open bar. And what was I saying? But the banners would just be so amazing. The Shitfart coin banners. We can call different technologies, like if we have like updates, we'll call it like the corn update or the I ate asparagus update. Cody, they are nerd conventions. Yeah, that Cody, I'm gonna break it to you softly. You're watching a live stream on YouTube about Dogecoin, which is a coin about a dog on it. We might all be nerds. Rich motherfucking nerds. All right, Miami has a crypto event once a year. Maybe it'll have to be that one. That'd be good. Miami. We should the party. This is the banners. They have like an award for the shit fart of the year. Whoever bought the most that year gets like an award. Too much taco update, yeah. Whoever sold the most gets like the hot sauce award. Shit fart smart chain. Yep. Don't forget to subscribe, everybody. I keep warning you. I'm gonna give away $100 live tomorrow. I'm sorry, not tomorrow. It might be Saturday or it might be tomorrow. You got to subscribe in order to get the notification. Make sure the bell's on so that you know when I go live. And then within about 30, 40 minutes of going live, I give away the $100 to one person. No, Matt, you're thinking too small. Matt says shit fart coin only spendable at proctologist offices around the world. Now we're going to go for the pay a porta pot. So you can use it on like electronic porta potties. Also restaurants, like in cities, like say you have to go to the bathroom and they don't want you to use a restaurant and you don't want to have to like stand in line and order a drink to use their bathroom. You can pay them on an app on the door lock with shit fart coin. Just go right in. What's that, Robert Young? The whale could be seeping out his cash. That'd be the smart thing to do, is seep it out. I think it's already corrected. There's a lot of people with paper hands though that don't have big thinking. So, no, I said 100, not 1,000. That was I retracted that immediately. All right, I'll be back in like 5 minutes or a half hour. I'm not sure. I'll be back in 5 minutes to let you know what I'm doing. The kid's home. I'm going to go make sure he's set up. So entertain yourselves. Okay. All right, now that everybody's excited about... Oh, you see my t-shirt? Dogezilla. Wait till these 14-inch pythons are wrapped around your neck. So everybody subscribed, right? All right. So I don't know what night we're going to do it, but I think Saturday is probably going to be tinfoil hat night. And whoever, you guys know what tinfoil hat night is? It's where we talk about things that are otherworldly or unknown to us. Aliens, conspiracy. We do avoid politics, so nobody just hates each other. But we'll talk about different weird things, Bigfoots, pyramids, the aliens, a lot of aliens. Never sell low, Eddie. Dave, buy the news, sell the hype. What's your take? It's buy the hype, sell the news kind of thing. Like, I said, you better be early. I said, I wouldn't buy, like, last week I was like, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is when you want to buy. So I think everybody thought the same way and built it up through Tuesday. Yes, buy the rumor, sell the news. That's what I always say. Buy low, sell high. But I didn't. I've only sold a little bit though. I'm drinking kombucha. I like kombucha. I like little bubbly drinks. I actually haven't had a beer in like 11, 12 days. 11. I did not. I haven't listened to Joe Rogan in like a week or two. All right. What's my favorite kombucha? Oh, I like them all. I don't like the ones that have like the hot, like peppery stuff in it. Get heartburn on that stuff. I like bubbly drinks. These taste better, a little healthier, I feel like. How low do you think it's going? I think we've hit the little low right now, and we're going to build towards $1 with bumps along the road. Yeah. There you go. Sell your altcoins and right into Bitcoin. Yep. Yeah. So tinfoil hat night. You can wear a tinfoil hat, and I make antlers. I make like antennae on my headset. But people send in pictures. I've got pictures of folks. We'll put your picture up. We talk about crazy stuff. I got some alien music I put on. We can have a talk. We have a Discord. We're not going to do the talk tonight. But we have a room where we can actually get you on the air live, next live stream, and we can talk. Whoops, Savino bought 3,000 at 67 cents. Oh, well, you don't lose that money. We'll get back there. We're coming back. Coming back. What did I miss in the chat here? Yeah, my sell date is 2031, so I'm not selling anything. Well, I think in the Reddit, whatever they can meme about is what they put on there, so... I think that's what goes on in Reddit, so Who knows? So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for all the likes. We have 336 likes. That's a lot for 184 people being in here. Who voted twice? Actually, we've had almost, right now, we've had almost 15,000 people come into a live stream tonight. That's pretty crazy. That's like your local like sports arena where the hockey team plays. Amount of people have come in here that looked at the whale and the yacht and the dancing aliens. They said they don't own it. They said unequivocally, that's not ours. For me, it would be 2 days from now for the SNL. I don't know because I can't watch it if I'm streaming. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe it'd be a good idea. I'll have to figure out. Well, he's in Europe, so I think it's already tomorrow for him. Matt, he's in Europe. I don't even know how I can watch it East Coast time because I'm in the Pacific time zone. And if I'm watching it, I guess people can be on both, right? Yeah. I'll try and do it. It's at 8:30, right? Maybe I'll try and do that for Saturday. I was gonna do like a 5 to 7 or pat. You know what? Twinfoil Hat Night tends to be a long one, so maybe I'll do that later. Saturday's increase already happened, Jacob. You should be happy. Look at Saturday's increase did. A dip is at 53 cents. Okay? That's good news. That's good news. There's going to be ups and downs. Norway. I want to go to Norway. What's up, Brad? How you doing? Just peeking in. Yeah. We're just kind of giving ourselves high anxiety with the 5-second chart here and a close-up. What's up, Jordan? If they can make the market go up and down, they were going to do it, and they'll make money along the way. That's just what happens with capital. That's the name of the game. You don't get a penalty for having too much money. Never sell low. Eddie, I agree with you 100%. I agree with you. I'm not looking at this. What's this going to do by the end of the week? Did I make money or lose money by the end of the week? I don't look at that at all. I understand pricey living. I live in a pricey spot too. Do Binance. Binance is pretty instantaneous. People use Binance to do exchanges though, like Pancake Swap and stuff, right? So I don't think he bought that Doge. I don't think he bought it. The other day when it was at 69 cents, I texted all of them on a text string and I said, so did you guys remember 2 months ago when I told you to buy a bunch of Doge? And they were all kind of like, no, I'm Bitcoin. I don't think they did. I was like, just a reminder. Cape Canaveral. I've been there. I was actually on the I watched the space shuttle launch. There is. Yeah, people underestimate. A lot of people invested in this. So, yep, they're gonna hate that, but I'll keep saying it. Brad, what did you buy in at, Brad? Like 65 cents? Brad. Don't worry, Brad. Just hold on to it. Look at it in 10 years. You'll thank yourself later. Maybe. That's what I keep telling myself. Why is it going down? I think because everybody jumped in. Let's take a look. Let's pull back here. Here's the last 5 days. This chart makes no sense. There we go. So here's the last 5 days. Okay. 3 days ago, 2 days ago. Okay, so here's like 5 days. Everybody was happy as a pig in shit that it was 36 cents, 37 cents, 38 cents, 39 cents. Remember, it sat at 5 cents for like a month and a half. This is, 7 times more money. So I don't think it'll go up in SNL. So this is like 7 times more money. And then it makes these big jumps. And this is because of the SNL and everybody, celebrities, blah, blah, blah. It's in the press now. And that's what all this extra volume is everybody else jumping in. Even the people that were probably on here saying, "You stupid," they're like, I better get in. And then it hit all these highs. Right? And then there's like it's got to naturally, if you just think about things naturally, this was the hype from SNL. And then if it goes on SNL and he actually says something, it's been pretty priced in, except it'll have another jump. And then you'll see it go like 69, 70, 80 cents, like something like this. And then it's going to do the same thing, and it's going to go back down and then even out. What goes up must come down. So if something goes up 100% like this did in a matter of days, there's going to be a 50% correction, at least temporarily. And this isn't even that yet. So this is not bad at all, in my opinion, if that makes any sense. This is completely natural what happens. Shit fart coin is the next coin. It's not yet minted though, for sale. If there is a skit, whatever the price is at the time, I'd say add 25% over like an hour or two. Or maybe it just starts shooting towards $1. But I think the 69 cents range and the 64 cents and stuff, 61 cents, I think that was all the built-in joy. Because look, it went from 35 to 65 cents. And it's still at 53. I don't have any thoughts on BTT. I meant to buy some and I forgot. Well, it was down. I do have a plan though. The next crypto dip, which is sure to come. I don't know if it'll happen this summer or what. When everything starts to tank, because there's corrections, they're all around. Don't hate me, because these things do happen. I'm just gonna buy a shit ton of just everything I have on my list, and then I'm not gonna look at it again for like 10 years. I'm just gonna do it all at one time. So. Yeah, and with Doge, you can't use standard technicals, I don't think, so. I don't give financial advice. I don't know if you should sell or not. I personally am holding for 10 years. That's it. So, if you have an average, and say you made like 9 times your money, I would get your original money back out, and then let the rest ride. That's what I do. Doge, you're in on that when next, you know, there's going to be some bad news that comes out, a rumor about regulation or something, and it starts, you know, panicking. Because the reason crypto is volatile is because the majority of people that are in crypto that aren't like industry kind of thing, like they're, you know, it's retail people, GameStop, you know, that kind of people that are kind of way more adventurous and reckless. There's going to be more volatility, especially on news, which Dogecoin's proof of that. So bad news story comes out, Bitcoin ends up at 42,000 again, or like under 40 for like a day or two. Doge drops 50%, whatever it's going to be. BTT drops, Cardano, whatever. And I'm just going to kind of dump a bunch more money in. And that'll decide whether or not I buy a fishing boat or a yacht or retirement. There you go, Glory Mars. Boom. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Come on now. Boom, boom. Bitcoin's been pretty dead in the water, not doing anything. All the money's over in Doge. All the activity, at least. So. There we go. 1%? That seems like a low amount to spend at the strip club if Doge goes to $5. Well, Neil, you're down 400 to 500. Well, this is gambling, so you're gonna lose money. But you don't. But here's the thing with gambling: you lose it like after the hand or whatever. You don't lose any of this stuff until you sell it. So if you don't sell it, just pretend like you don't care what the number is until the day you want to sell it. Unless you're day trading short term, and then at that point you never sell when it goes low. You just say goodbye. You're gonna kiss it goodbye anyway. How do you sell Doge? It depends on where you're keeping it. Like, if it's at Binance in your wallet, it's pretty easy. Yeah, if you're trading this as a job to make short-term money, then yeah, you made the wrong bet and you lost that money. If you have to pull it out. That's not investing. That's day trading. That's a different beast. Beast. It's a different beast. Jimmy Marley, just here for the dancing alien and Doge. Well, it's about most of us, really. I'm just here to hold this place sitting, show off this hat I got from Mad Threads. Sent me the hat. Thank you for free. Lativish, whatever TV says. So many people going broke. How are people? I don't understand this. Dogecoin is at 55 cents. If I would have yelled that at a party in January, say you were at like some event with cryptocurrency people and you came into a chat or whatever it was, and you were like, Dogecoin's at 54 cents right now, people would think you're tripping on LSD and you had way too many hits of it. Casey Ocean, thanks for the $5. I appreciate this. Best for new investors, just do a reoccurring investment. Up 30,000 for no reason. Wasn't even looking. Nice work. Nice work, Casey Ocean. Nice work. Calm Julio. What happens after we reach $1? The world explodes and the sun envelops the whole solar system. Yep, if you're holding for the long term, under the 65 cents is good. This is your bargain time. So when it's at 90 cents, you go, man, I really wish I would have got that 54 cents. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's what this is going to be, a shoulda, coulda, woulda. There you go. Brad Hickson's, maybe it's you that's putting it up, Brad Hickson, because you joined the live stream, Brad. The price of Dogecoin is going up since you joined. Let's hear it for Brad. Rohith got in for under 5 cents. Yeah. I remember I got angry when I tried to buy it around 5 cents and then it hopped up to like 0.52. Robinhood's not bad. Robinhood is not the whale. That's what that crossover was about. Robinhood said we're not the ones holding that $25 billion in Dogecoin. So, Isaac, you made 200,000, just left it there. I would do that too. I'd take a little bit out and then let it ride because it, you know, if it goes to like $1.50, $2, $3, holy crap! Holy crap! Tinfoil Hat Night's probably Saturday. Maybe Sunday night. Probably Saturday. I coach football game tomorrow night, so I can't live stream. But the next live stream, I'm giving away $100, so subscribe so you know when the live stream comes on so you can be there to win the money. Because I give it out in the live stream randomly with the app, with the Nightbot. And I've gotten a couple hundred already, so we're getting there. So thank you for those subs. It'd be before Saturday Night Live. So it would be before the SNL. That's on at 8:30 my time. So it'd have to be like from 5 to 8 and then maybe continue into it or something. Or I could just, I can't play it on the screen because they'll get like they'll probably have like secret police come arrest me or kick me off YouTube. But we could probably do like a watch along and talk about it when it's on. But I don't know how I would watch both at the same time. Robert Young says, are you going to make shit fart coin for real? Yes, 100%. Our top-notch dev team is working on it. Sometimes. We need to get our legal button down. So, and our lawyer, Mr. Google, he's been working lately. So, he's got great rates though. Casey Ocean, $10. Thank you. When Doge slaps on all your investments and it was the least of your holdings. Boom. Thank you, Casey Ocean. When Doge slaps on all your investments and it was the least of your holdings. Took me by surprise, this high at least. Even this 55 cents. Japan shit fart coin? Maybe. If you've seen any of the adult films, they'll be prime investors. The Germans too. Seems like the Axis That's weird. The World War II Axis seems to be into shit fart coin play. It'll become a new category, shit fart coin play. What do I think will happen tonight? I think this is it. I think we're gonna recover and head back up to over here at the upper 50s, mid 50s. All right, everybody. I'm gonna call it a night tonight. Do the family thing. I've been on for almost 3 hours. So thank you for joining me. Some of you have been here the whole time. Thank you so much. Come to Brazil. I would love to go to Brazil, Pedro. You tell me when and where. Adios. Thank you, Casey Ocean, for the many donations. I appreciate the chat revenue. Make sure you subscribe. Hopefully you'll win the giveaway on Saturday. Although donating money to me doesn't help. But who knows? It's random. So, Billy C., it's my pleasure. Ali, thank you. Chris, everybody. I really enjoy doing these. And so let's hope it goes up. And, who knows? Maybe I'll get crazy in the middle of the night if something crazy happens. It's Friday tomorrow anyway. So, join the Discord. We have shit fart coin mining in there right now. You can play our little game we have. And we're seriously trying to figure out how to make that turn into actual shit fart coin. Or at least a little bit of it. To get the party started. So we'll see you guys later. And gals. Have a great night. And be safe out there. And gather up your alien, Bigfoot, crazy ghost stories for us for the next Tinfoil Hat night. Bye, everybody.